How are you guys? Welcome back to the channel. So in today's video I'll just be washing the car. It's more or less a ASMR video, but not really because I'm talking. As you guys can see now, I'm spraying down the car, but I'm not gonna talk during the entire video. I'm just gonna highlight certain things I did. Maybe if you guys are wondering if I did this or if I did that. So yeah, that's my that. Yeah, I'm not a pro, but basically I just sprayed down the whole car to get rid of all the loose dirt and debris. I use the two bucket method for those who don't know. It's one bucket with soapy water and other bucket with clean water. The clean water is there to rinse out the washing mud from all the debris you collected from washing. The marks that I'm sketching was actually rust. We need to respray the car. This is an old video, so that will be posted in the future. I think I threw like 3 different car shampoos into the bucket for the soapy mixture. If it works, it works. If it doesn't work, then just use one. I did wash down the whole car and the wheels, but I didn't foam it. I only foamed like sections of it. I did this with every single wheel, and I did this lastly, this and the exhaust, because I don't want to dirty the rag in the beginning. But I must buy me the proper wheel cleaners and stuff, and I will do that. The same for the exhaust. I have to buy proper, so I'll do that in the future.
Nice.
I was happy with the results, so I sprayed down the car to remove the excess soap. I'm just stating that I did wipe down the whole car, or dry the whole car at least. I just wiped down the interior of the car except for the seats. I couldn't find my fabric cleaner, so I used this product, the leather enhancement. Even though it's not leather, I just used it because it helped a lot, as you guys can see now. I'm not sure what product I put on this piece of cloth. It could maybe be dashboard cleaner. It made a difference, but I definitely need to respray that bumpers. If it's dashboard polish or aka dash, I like the product, but the shininess I don't like so much, because after a while it just dulls again. So I like a more matte finish. A more matte finish look more expensive. Like, you can use this also on your wheels, the dashboard polish, or you can just use tire shine. So yeah, this is the end result. It came out nicely. Unfortunately, it rained the next day, so I was a bit disappointed, but okay, what can I do about that situation?
Ik weet daarvan.
I'm sorry that I couldn't show you guys properly on how it looked or how it turned out. It was load shedding, so yeah, that was the only light I had. I don't think I used the leather enhancement on the dashboard. That's why it looks a bit different, if I can say so. But I did clean the car, but I didn't vacuum. So that's also another thing I didn't do. I think I didn't do the dashboard. And I know I definitely didn't vacuum the car. So like this video, share it with your friends, subscribe if you're new. Sorry for never posting. I'm very busy editing old videos and yeah, I'm just trying my best here. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Peace.